welcome. Today's recipe is Puthi Mas Tenga. Take puthi fish. Marinate with haldi, red chili powder and salt. Heat oil and fry. After frying the fish, take out the excess oil. Now add jeera, hing and dry chili. Add chopped onion, ginger. Add green chili and curry patta. Saute it for 1 minute. Add haldi, salt and dhania powder. Saute for another 1 minute. Add soya sauce and vinegar. You can use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Add water and cook for 5 minutes. Now add fried puthi fish. After 1 minute, it's ready. Yummy and very simple. Subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye. See you with a new recipe.